Hello, this is a quick tutorial on making internal bookmarks and links inside of a PDF. This is using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So to start off with, got this enable all features thing you got to click on to get moving. Then you go to File, Properties, and you get this window. And you want to click on that Initial View tab, and you select these settings here: the Bookmarks and Panel Page, Single Page, and Fit Page. It just works out better here for navigation purposes. You can visualize all your different links and bookmarks that you've seen and also get a full page view. The truth of the matter is the different views, each of the pages have their own view set next to them, which is a little bit odd, so that some are wide, full width, and then some are the whole page. So it's best just to be consistent, and Fit Page is what I think works best. So you save and close. And once you have done that, then you open it back up, and then you've got your bookmarks link here. So you've got this Fit Page thing. Now these links that are here are typically not, people don't make them on purpose, and they tend to be fairly jumbled. So what I do is I delete them all. I take them all out because, is that really a bookmark? Here in headquarters, they didn't really intend to do this. So I delete all these, and you get, select one of them, hit Control A, and then delete, and you get a blank slate. Now the first thing you want to start doing is you want to start adding bookmarks back to your blank slate. So what you do first is navigate to the page that you want to be on, in this case the cover page, and then you hit this little icon there. That means add a new bookmark. And this little dialog window comes up, and you rename it to, say, cover, because that's what that link is. Next, you navigate to the next page you want, which is probably the table of contents, and then you hit the create a new bookmark again. Now, before you go on from there, it's probably a good idea to print this table of contents so it'll help you make the rest of your bookmarks. So I just keep on going through there. There's the first two we made. Here's the third one. Just keep on going through the whole document. So after you've done it, then you basically come back and test out your bookmarks. You click on that, and this page comes up. You click on the table of contents, and the table of contents comes up. It's a good idea to go through the whole thing just to QC, make sure you didn't mislink some of these different links. So now, hyperlink and table of contents. So someone might be here and expect to click on one of these and go to those pages. Well, you can do that, and to do that, you hit Edit PDF from this little icon here. Looks like that, and then this menu selection comes up here. Link is what you want to start out with, and then add web or document link. Now, what you're going to get when you do that, you're going to get a crosshairs type of thing for drawing a new text box, and you're making a new text box around the text that you want. So you basically just drag around that, and highlight that. The length of it is probably just as long as the text itself, because people are going to click on the text to move forward. Anyway, once you've highlighted that, you're going to get this window here, create a link, and it says you have these different options. Either it's a visible rectangle of some sort or an invisible rectangle, and it's best just go invisible rectangular. Otherwise you get all sorts of visual clutter around through in the middle of your table of contents. And so then you hit next once you've done that. Now as soon as you hit next, this little window here comes up, set link. What it's really waiting for you to do is to navigate to your next place you want to go. If you hit set link right now, it's you're going to just link right to the current page you're on, which is the table of contents. So don't hit set link yet. Wait until you navigate to the page. This is a page. Next one on link is the role of staff action officer, and a good way to get there before you hit set link is just hit the role of staff action officer, and it'll take you right there, and then you hit set link, and then it's all set up. So yeah, you just continue through the whole thing, and you want to verify each of those different things also after you've set them up. Now, the next thing, I'll just show you that this is the table of content. This is all these bookmarks. It shows, this is preview in on my Mac, which is a little bit different looking, but it's basically the same thing. You can see how nice it is. You go to info paper, it just navigates just fine. And this isn't in Adobe Reader, it actually works on preview too. So see how nicely that works. In the table of contents, I didn't go through and link all these, but I did link that top one, and you see what happens to the cursor. It turns to a little finger thing or a hand, and that one, I click on there, it goes to that link there. So this is how that works. It makes it a lot easier to navigate wherever you want to in a document. And the other thing that's related to this is to turn your PDF into scannable text. But that's a different tutorial. Hope this helps.